The Exchange TRX precinct has secured 2.15 billion ringgit in development financing, signalling, as Finance Minister Lim Guan Eng puts it, that the Pakatan Harapan government is slowly but surely exorcising the ghosts of 1MDB. The 5-year facility was secured from HSBC Holdings, Maybank, Standard Chartered and Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corp. According to HSBC, the loan is not guaranteed by Putrajaya. The now detoxified Exchange TRX is a lifestyle precinct within the 40 billion ringgit TRX development. It is estimated to have a value of over 9 billion ringgit and is being co-developed by a venture between Australia's Land Lease and MOF's TRX City. Last year, the government pledged to bail out the TRX with a fresh injection of 2.8 billion ringgit of capital. Lim had said that not completing the project would mean forking out 3.51 billion ringgit in compensation claims. The name of slain Mongolian interpreter Altantuya Sharibu appeared a number of times in an after-sale service contract inked for the 2002 procurement of French Scorpene submarines during Datuk Sri Najib Razak's tenure as Defence Minister. French lawyers assisting in filing a corruption complaint in France for human rights group Swaram say this indicates Altantuya was probably involved in the negotiations of the $1.2 billion submarine deals. They hope that the ongoing trial for the 100 million ringgit civil suit filed by Altantuya's family could provide further insights on the deal. For now, however, the investigation into the deal has stalled due to the absence of collaboration from Hong Kong. The lawyers are attempting to gain access to information on bank accounts for a shell company called Terasasi Hong Kong, the entity that received some of the kickbacks, totaling $130 million from the deal. It is 90% owned by Najib's one-time advisor Razak Baginda, with the remaining 10% owned by Razak's own father. Swaram's legal team say this is a black hole in terms of evidence to establish that Najib could be the orchestra chief. They hope that Hong Kong might be more helpful now, with Malaysia opening its investigations into the case. Would-be buyers of the luxury super yacht Equanimity can now approach the government and 1MDB directly. The legal counsel for the two parties says the idea is to maximize the potential purchase. Burgess, however, remains the sole broker for the sale. Putrajaya has yet to find a buyer for the massive 1 billion ringgit vessel, which is costing it up to 3 million ringgit a month in maintenance. The government has said that it plans to sell the yacht for no less than 543 million ringgit, about half of its original price. The short selling of property developer Eastern and Oriental was suspended today after its share price took a tumble this morning. The counter fell 17% to as low as 90 cents per share, an 8-year low, after the market reacted negatively to its announcement of a cash call yesterday. ENO wants to raise as much as 550.3 million ringgit to fund its property development projects. Analysts were not too optimistic on the move, with Public Invest Research calling it a negative surprise. Arvin Huang Capital, however, points out that ENO's long-term prospects remain good. Its shares last traded at 91 cents, down 16.5%, for a market capitalization of 1.42 billion ringgit. Short selling activities will resume tomorrow morning. Putrajaya will not interfere in the dispute involving Rajawali Group's move to challenge Felda's decision to walk away from the partnership and claim back more than $500 million which it had invested in the palm estate and sugar manufacturing assets of Jakarta-based Eagle High Plantations. Economic Affairs Minister Datuk Sri Muhammad Azmin Ali says Felda's board has looked into this matter thoroughly and expects the issue to be resolved amicably. Felda had proposed to buy 37% of Eagle High Plantations. However, to date, the Indonesian company has failed to secure RSPO certification, prompting Felda to call off the deal.